it's my great pleasure to welcome you to this really very special evening. So I'm delighted to welcome you and to thank you for being here and for all you do for Brooklyn Law School.
The Alumni Association is proud to honor tonight 2018 graduate Ankit Kapoor.
Wow. You know, I try cases for a living, but I've never spoken to a group of 300 individuals. But you know, everyone has their moment, and tonight it's mine. It's Brooklyn Law School. I'm going to share with you things that you may not know. We are a family of immigrants. I myself am an immigrant. I was not born here. I came here in April of 1999 with my parents, my brother. I was 9 years old. I did not speak a word of English, neither did they. My parents came here in believing in the promise of the American dream, and I'm proud to say we've lived it and we've accomplished it. Brooklyn Law School was instrumental in my life. The professors, the staff, the librarians, everyone was remarkable. For any students and recent graduates that may be here today, I want to share a piece of advice. You have to put down and do the work, and I don't mean in your pajamas from home. I mean, get up, exercise, get dressed, and go into the office and learn from the experienced lawyers that are there. You will not make your way to a podium like this sitting on Zoom 4 days a week, 5 days a week. And that 9-year-old kid who landed at JFK with his family on April 2nd, 1999, reached his goal of becoming the rising star of Brooklyn Law School. Thank you, Brooklyn Law School, for this incredible honor.
We are enormously grateful for Larry Silverstein's visionary leadership in reshaping urban landscapes of New York City, of course, but of so many other places beyond as well. And we are enormously proud that his story is intertwined with our own in exemplifying the values of opportunity, excellence, and a relentless commitment to the future. Please join me in welcoming Brooklyn Law School Alumnus of the Year, Larry Silverstein.
The entire Brooklyn Law School community for this honor. It means a great deal to be recognized by a place that played such an important role in shaping my professional life. I went to NYU for my undergraduate degree, and afterward decided to attend the Brooklyn Law School. My thinking was pretty straightforward. I decided if I wanted to succeed in business, especially in the real estate business, it would help to understand the law. And so one of the great advantages of the Brooklyn Law School was that I was able to schedule going to the classes in the morning, leaving at noon, and being in my father's office by 12:30 and at work. And it was just a terrific opportunity to learn the law, to understand what it meant to be a lawyer and how to function with the thinking of a lawyer. But being possessed of the legal knowledge that I gained at the Brooklyn Law School gave me the capacity to understand what was transpiring in those 5 years of brutal litigation. So to Brooklyn Law School, I say, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for making possible the opportunities that God gave me. And simply, my wife said, let's go for it. And therefore, I just want to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Appreciate it.
All right, everyone, thank you for joining us for this celebratory evening. I am proud to announce that we have raised over $153,000 tonight for the Bar Prep Fund. So thank you for your generosity in making a difference.